I was thinking, what can I do to entertain myself while I am in quarantine? And the answer was, I'll try to film a recipe video with an action camera all by myself. As some of you might know, my profession is as a food filmmaker. So what made me believe that this could work was the cool image stabilization of the most recent action cameras. The high frame rates it can shoot, which I think is very important when shooting food, and the ability of putting the camera wherever you want to. Since I was shooting and cooking at the same time, it was nice to not worry about what was on focus, although the aesthetics of the image wasn't the most pleasing, as I was expecting already. But it is what it is. You can fix some stuff easily in post-production, like the lens distortion, or you can apply blur in some areas of the shots to create the illusion of depth of field. But keep in mind that it will always be an action camera. A couple of notes to myself. Next time, I have to try to film in better lighting conditions and, perhaps, in a better kitchen. Regarding the price of these cameras, I think they are pretty capable of doing very interesting shots. Also important to say that I filmed some close-up shots with my Canon, and it's pretty impressive how the footage went so well when put it side by side. Yes, it wasn't by far the best film I shot, but I believe it's very important to test stuff like this when you're trying to bring some uniqueness to your work. Thank you so much for watching, see you in my next video, and this time I will not guess when it's going to be.